Right, so this news dropped last night. I'm definitely not the first to it. However, there is another image that came out shortly after in the hype as well. I am, of course, talking about our first look at Hellboy for the upcoming title next year, and no, this really isn't Ron Perlman. The first image was shared by Hellboy Movie, a new Twitter account set up by the studio presumably for promotional purposes on the lead up to the movie's release. Straight off the bat, this is an awesome image. They chose wisely in sharing this, and I think, well, I know from Twitter's reaction that it set a lot of people's minds at ease about the project. Not everyone though, of course, and people's main issue is it seems to be heavily influenced by the Del Toro design. Now, I can't deny it is extremely reminiscent, right down to the chunks missing from Hellboy's right stump of a horn. They have stuck with the bodybuilder-esque physique for the character as well, which I guess is neither here nor there, as the comic does depict Hellboy numerous ways throughout its run. The new Hellboy is wearing his locks down though, which is something we never saw from Ron Perlman's iteration, and all in all, I do think they've done well here, especially considering what David Harbour looks like in real life. It's a casting choice that I wasn't so sure on, simply because I didn't really know whether he would be able to pull off this look, but he really does. There was a second picture of Hellboy posted by Hellboy himself, David Harbour, before he swiftly removed it for unknown reasons. He shared this image to Twitter along with the caption, "Let me introduce myself, I'm a man of wealth and taste." Why Harbour chose to delete it moments from posting isn't known, but the internet got it, and that's all that matters. We see Hellboy's trademark trench coat in this image, and everything else is much the same. But all in, it definitely has my confidence boosted for the project, which had recently reached a low due to casting updates and racial controversy. Overall though, what do you guys think of these images? Were you lucky enough to see the second image before he removed it? Let me know down below in the comments section, and if you want to stay up to date on the lead up to the movie's release, then stay with me, Mr. H, and I'll be bringing you news and updates along the way. If you are new to my channel and you haven't done so already, then hit that subscribe button to stay notified of all future updates. If you did enjoy this video and you think it deserves it, then hit that like button, as it does help the channel out. I've been Mr. H, and until next time, I'll catch you in the comment section.